Hello tribe, it's me, Malu reading from Malu Spiritual Place. We are going to be doing the Sunday energy reading for the week of 8th of August to the 14th, 2021. So let's see, I'm just shuffling a little bit the card just to see what is coming for each one of us. So let's see what it is that we have here. We have Healer of Ages, we have Door to Value, and the last one, we have woman holding a heart. Definitely, we continue with the finance stability aspects of ourselves. Now we are going to be healing something related to that. Maybe we are afraid, maybe we are thinking too much about whatever it is that we want to achieve. Maybe we are thinking too much about the money, the finance aspects. Yes, it's coming to us, the value, the door, feeling worth it, feeling valued. Money, things that we are trying to accomplish are coming this week. Everything is going to be set up. Definitely, we are going to be putting a lot of our heart in our efforts, in our work, everything that we have been doing. But through the healing, we are going to accomplish this through the healing of our perception, our belief system that we have about the finance or career aspects, the stability aspects of ourselves, of our life. So it is really important for you to observe and analyze those aspects of you. What is your system belief? What is the thing that you believe in your core about your stability? What is the thing that you are looking for? What it is giving you so much trouble? What it is your heart, maybe joy or joyful or sad about certain aspects of it. So that's the healing that we need to put into it, knowing always that we have the control, we have everything in our hand, that is coming. They keep saying the door is open. These things are going to start happening to you. You just need to work with your heart. You just need to make sure that your intentions, your inspiration are in the right aspect, are in the right way. We need to make sure that those are kind of pure and coming from the heart. Definitely, that's something that is going to be during this week really strong for each one of us. I have the feeling that we need to put another card. What do you think? Definitely. Adjacent possibilities. That means that definitely we are going to have a lot of possibility, a lot of doors. We continue having doors opening for ourselves. This is something that we keep moving forward. So yes, this is a positive week. This is something that we can use in our advantage, because they're saying that right now everything that is going to be moving forward from now on, it will be for whatever we were looking for. It is the thing that we are wanting for so long, but it's up to us to really make it happen. It is our job, our responsibility, our duty to make sure that we are kind of checking our triggers, our reasons. We are really putting attention to all of the aspects in our life that need some kind of work, not necessarily healing. It could be something that you just need to realize. You just need to make it work more and more. So definitely this is something that is going to be for us during this week. Definitely a positive week just in the first month of this last 5 days, 5 months of the month. So now you know, put attention to your intentions, put attention to whatever you need to work, because the doors are open, different possibilities are coming. A lot of prosperity is about us, and it's not just that, it's about worth, but we need to make sure that we are doing it by heart, we are doing it with the right intentions, okay, sweeties? So see you next week. Bye-bye. So thank you for watching me and stay with me all of this time. If you want to know more and keep in touch with me, my journey and your journey, don't forget to follow me in all of my social media. See you next time. Bye-bye.